ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Samla Kiran Verma ubadai unong tray Sngewbha nagasnong Maujur Delhi. Haga arpo tarik unailor arajar arpulai ula 1 poi hanong ba Shillong dagaba Ïaid Kjat kelengi nong ba gari India. Ban Sngewbha syagi Paidbah nong shnong jongkari bagian Snam Sngewbha syagi para brio haki kep kibadon kam kerki yaga Snam. Katong jong niu Samla kalong ban Sngewbha yagi para brio bagian long giba jensur mensim. Ban yada ya ka mensim jonggi para brio. Bat lengbaga ni kajing Sngewbha katong jong u kalong ba onomdon mano ban syudo yala kajing im nagadao kajing don kam Snam kerki. Nasyalong uniu Samla unsa beteng pat ya kajing Ïaid lenti sa syaki wei pat ki jela jonggani katahan syatay lammingi shwa ban late pai pat sya Delhi.
My name is Kiran Verma and I am walking 21,000 kilometers all across India for the awareness of blood donation. I started my walk on 28 December 2021 from Kerala, Trivandrum, and from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Dadar Nagar, Daman Diu, Gujarat, Telangana, Andhra, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, Sikkim, and now Meghalaya. I have covered 15,700 kilometers till now. The only mission behind my walk is that nobody should die waiting for blood after 31st December 2025. Nowhere in India people should die waiting for blood because every day more than 12,000 people die. And that is only possible when we encourage at least 5 million people all across India. And if you see in Meghalaya, it's more important because out of 12 districts, 5 districts don't have blood bank. And also people in tribal part, they don't have access to blood bank, and also they are not willing to donate blood too often. My focus is to encourage more and more people in Meghalaya, so that in Meghalaya, if there is not even a blood bank, but at least where there are blood bank, they can support other districts as well where there is no blood bank. I was in Tura, I met with the DC sir over there, Jagdish ji, and they, after my walk, they started one blood bank in Phulbadi, which was not operational at that moment of time. That is the impact we are creating. In William Nagar is taking support from Tura Blood Bank, Civil Hospital. And when I went there, DCs are also committed there that we are going to try and encourage more and more people. In Meghalaya, all the churches are very strong. And every week, people are gathering there for mass church service. And for me, it is very important to make sure that people who are coming forward at churches every week, they should at least get motivated through blood donation. Because once I went out of Meghalaya, it will be very difficult for me to keep motivating people in Meghalaya. But churches can do. Not just churches, but also other societies as well, like Sikh communities, Marwadi communities, and all these communities. Because these civic societies can create a huge impact. My mission is that because of the Kwai, cancer patients are increasing in Meghalaya. And we can reduce it by donating blood. Because if a person is a regular blood donor, the chances of getting cancer get reduced. If you see, blood donation is a very important thing, and not for saving someone's life, but also for ourselves. Because when you donate blood, your heart gets healthy. When you donate blood, you don't get heart attack. Diabetes chances are very less, and also cancer is also very less in regular blood donors. So for this particular thing, that the tobacco intake in Meghalaya, it can really help people to reduce cancer chances as well. So that is the reason it's very important for me, for Meghalaya people, whether it's Khasi, Garo or anywhere, to come forward and start donating blood. This is not just for today, but also for the future, so that our kids should not face any problem of blood shortage in Meghalaya, in any part of Meghalaya. And I'm requesting the administration to kindly work more and more along with churches, so that we can encourage more people, create infrastructure to build more blood banks in district where there is no blood bank. And that is the whole target to come to Meghalaya for me here. So my walk is going to cover rest of the northeast part as well. So after Meghalaya, I am going to go to Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur, Nagaland and other part of northeast. And from there, I am going to cover every state and union territory of India to make sure that my message goes to every part of India, and nobody should die waiting for blood after 31st December 2025 anywhere in India. That's it from my side, and I request you all to kindly support me by just donating blood. Nothing to do more for this cause. Yeah, Meghalaya, the experience is amazing. I have met one of the best people in India. The food is good. I tried khapa in Garo Hills, which is one of the finest dish and one of the simplest but one of the tastiest dish I ever had. I tried eating some silkworms in Nongstoin, which is I was scared of first eating, but when I had it, it's amazing. I met few people in William Nagar who are working day and night for blood donation, which is very motivational for me. I met with so many district administration who are so cooperative, whether it's Rosetta man in Shillong, or Jagdish sir or Weber sir in William Nagar and Tura. They are amazing people, and with just one meeting they made sure, they committed that we are going to do something on ground to make situation different for our future generation. This is very motivating for me, and I hope and I request that more and more people like them should be everywhere in every part of India, not just in Meghalaya but beyond Meghalaya as well. Landed from one capital city to another capital city, but later after few days I started this walk. Then I realized that the need of blood donation awareness is more needed outside major cities or capitals. So that's how I made sure that I go village to village, small town to small town, so that more and more people can understand what it is all about and why we should donate blood. And that's how I kept going on, and I just wanted to share you very good impact. So I was talking to DC ma'am this morning, and she got so excited or motivated that she is going to donate blood along with me on 5th of October at a blood donation camp here in Shillong. So that's what change I'm trying to build, to set an example in front of people that blood donation is safe. Anybody and everybody should donate blood, and this is healthy, completely healthy, and person like me who's walking so much and still donating blood. So of course for rest of the people it's not that difficult. So I think we all can and we all should come forward and donate blood.